Sign up for Electricalexam.ca's classes and you'll get the best training and knowledge to help you succeed on your exam and on the job. For only $500, taxes included, our expert teacher will help you learn advanced techniques from the most up-to-date course content, plus you get free access to our online course valued at $299.95 with full support plus 8 bonuses that you can start in 10 minutes. If you prefer, you can try Electricalexam.ca's online course first. If you decide later that you want to register for classes, you can start at any time. Electricalexam.ca's classes are fast and easy to take. You'll finish the complete course in 48 hours over a period of 3 weeks. Our classes run from 9 to 5 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays for 3 weeks every 2 months. Look below for our class schedule. Very popular. All you'll need to help you succeed is a 2021 Canadian Electrical Code book, a pen, a highlighter, an 8.5 by 11 notebook, and a good calculator. As soon as you are ready to begin, simply call and register with a credit card or e-transfer to info@electricalexam.ca. Then follow the course outline listed under the heading Study Tools. Newcomers to Canada are welcome. We offer you the most quick and convenient way to get your license. Electricalexam.ca has a 95% success rate with hundreds of students who have passed their exam. We guarantee you'll pass. Register and start now for a bright future in the electrical field.